Good morning, children. Today in this class I am going to start a exercise 4 problems. Okay, here the first problem is in triangle ABC, name all the interior angles and exterior angles of triangle. Okay, here the triangle ABC is, this is the triangle ABC. Okay, now we have to locate we have to write the interior and exterior angles of a triangle ABC. Okay, now let us write the interior angles. Okay, here the first interior angle is angle ABC. In triangle ABC, interior angles are here. The first one is angle ABC. Angle ABC and angle BCA. BCA is the second interior angle, and the ACAB. Angle CAB. Okay, these are the interior angles of the triangle ABC. Okay, now let us write the exterior angles. Exterior angles of the triangle ABC are here. The first exterior angle is angle ACD is the exterior angle, one of the exterior angle ACD is the one of the exterior angle, and angle here angle BAE, angle BAE is the one of the exterior angle, angle BAE is one of the exterior angle, and the angle CBF is the one of the exterior angle. Here any triangle is having 3 interior angles and 3 exterior angles. Okay, in triangle ABC the interior angles triangle ABC, angle BC and angle CAB, and the exterior angles are angle ACD and angle BAE and angle CBF. Okay, now let us see the second problem. For triangle ABC, find measure of angle ACD. Here they have given the triangle and they have given angle A as 65 degrees and angle B as 45 degrees. Now we have to find the angle ACD. Okay, this is the angle we have to find. Then if you observe clearly, they have given 2 internal angles of the triangle ABC. Okay, then we have to find the exterior angle. Okay, now according to the exterior angle property of triangle, the exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, since from exterior angle property of triangle, we can write angle here, angle ACF as ACD is equals to angle ACD is equals to angle CAB plus angle ABC. Okay, according to exterior angle property, the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, now angle ACD is equals to angle CAB. Angle at A is 65 degrees, and angle at B is 45 degrees. Then angle ACD is equals to 110 degrees. So once again saying, for the triangle ABC, find measure of angle ACD. Here we have to find the angle at C at the outside of the triangle, that is called the exterior angle. Here from the property of exterior angles we can say the exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle. Okay, from that property we can write angle ACD equals to CAB plus ABC. Then by substituting the values of CAB and angle ABC, then we will get the angle ACD. Now let us see the next problem. Third problem, find the measure of angles X and Y in the given figure. Here they had given the triangle ABC. In that, here X and Y, these are the two unknown angles. Now we have to find out the two unknown values by using exterior angle. Okay, here by using exterior angle property, the sum of opposite interior angles are equals to exterior angle. From that we can write, since from exterior angle property, we can write angle CBD is equals to angle BCA plus angle CAB. Okay, here angle CBD is equals to 65 degrees. Then angle BCA is 30 degrees. Then angle CAB is y degrees. Okay, from that y degrees is equals to 65 minus 30 degrees. Then y equals to 35 degrees. Y equals to 35 degrees. And now we have to find out X unknown angle. Okay, here y is equals to 35 degrees. Okay, here in the triangle ABC we have two angles. Thus, according to the angles of property, the sum of all angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. From angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees from angles of property of triangle. Angles of property. Okay, here angle A is equals to 35 degrees. Then angle B is equals to x degrees. And angle C equals to 30 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then 35 plus 30 means 60 degrees. X plus 65 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Then x degrees equals to 180 minus 65 degrees. Here x equals to 115 degrees. Okay. Here finally y equals to 35 degrees and x is 115 degrees. Okay, once again I am saying here they have given find the measure of angles X and Y in the given figure. Okay, it is the triangle ABC. Here two unknown values in the triangle ABC by using exterior angle. From the property of exterior angle property, we can write angle CBD equals to the sum of opposite interior angles. Then we will find the y is equals to 35 degrees. After finding the y value, then we will calculate by using anism property of triangle. We will find the x. Okay. In this way, we will calculate the x and y. And now let us see the next problem. The fourth problem, in the following figure, find the values of x and y. Okay, here they had given the triangle ABC. Here we have to find x and y. Okay, now here it is the exterior angle 107 degrees and the opposite interior angles are x degrees and 57 degrees. Okay, since from exterior angle property, we can write angle CAD. Angle CAD is equals to angle ABC plus angle ACB. Here angle CAD is equals to 107 degrees. Angle ABC is equals to x degrees plus, and then angle ACB is 57 degrees. Okay, from that here then x equals to 107 degrees minus 57 degrees is equals to 50 degrees. Okay, then x equals to 50 degrees. Okay, after finding the x value, we can find very easily the y value. Okay, in the triangle ABC, the sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degrees. From that, since angle sum property, we can write angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, by substituting the values of angle B, angle C and angle A, okay, here the angle B is 50 degrees, then angle C is 57 degrees, and the interior angle of A is y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, here 107 degrees plus y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. From that we can write y equals to 180 degrees minus 107 degrees, then y equals to 73 degrees. Okay, here in this way we can find the x and y values for the given figure. So once again I am saying here you have to find out the x and y for the given figure and the given triangle. Okay, from the exterior angle property we can write angle CAD equals to angle ABC plus angle ACB. Then by substituting the values we will get the x value, and from the angle sum property all the interior angles of a triangle are equals to 180. From that we can find the x value in the given figure.